So what do students usually regret about?
Students usually regret about not working hard enough, not appearing for enough mock tests, not revising enough number of times, or I think if I have to sum it up all, not giving their best for the examination.
So is there anything else to the list?
I think if I keep aside the preparation part, one thing that many students, don't feel good about or regret about is that when they miss a scholarship examination, because when they had an opportunity to gain some concession through a competitive examination and they did not know about it.
So do we have a scholarship test?
Yes, we conduct an advanced scholarship test every year, and this year also we are doing the same, and this will be for courses like AIM 2027 and Current Affairs Value Addition program by Dipan sir, full year program.
What exactly is this scholarship for?
This scholarship is an advanced scholarship test. It is for NEXT IAS flagship advanced courses like AIM and CAVA. AIM is a full year 15 months program for students who have completed their foundation course. This includes note making, answer writing, intensive testing, dedicated mentorship, and a lot of hand holding for prelims, mains, interview, and every phase of this examination. And it is also, the scholarship examination is also for CAVA, Current Affairs Value Addition program by Dipan Damodaran sir. The most popular current affairs program where students get value addition material, they get paper neutral content, they get a detailed analysis of important current issues relevant for prelims and mains.
Is there a fee for this?
Yes, we have kept a nominal fees of 100 rupees to ensure that only serious students come for this examination.
Sir, how often does this happen?
The scholarship test is conducted only once a year, and it is happening on 24th of April this year, and the next one will only happen in 2027 April.
So please tell me more about this examination.
It's an advanced scholarship test. The syllabus is GS Prelim syllabus of UPSC. The medium will be both in English and Hindi. It will happen only in offline mode.
So the last question is, how can students register for this test?
In order to register for this advanced scholarship examination, you have to click the link on the description. It will take you to a page where you will get all the details for the registration. Thank you.